Jordan from jordanseasyentertaining.com, and welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas. I've teamed up with some of my favorite bloggers to bring you 12 straight days of Christmas ideas to help you get ready for your holiday entertaining. And today we are all sharing hot cocoa bars. So I'm going to show you how to make a travel cocoa bar that you can pack up and easily take with you for the activities that you're going to be doing with your friends and family this winter. Head over to jordanseasyentertaining.com to see how I set up this hot cocoa bar and where you can get everything. And I've also got a link to the Cricut Design Space project for this adorable hot cocoa sign. While you're over there, get links to the other bloggers' hot cocoa bar ideas. Also, don't forget to enter my giveaway. I'm giving away a rose gold cake stand just like mine to one lucky winner who is 18 or over and lives in the US. You can enter every single day of the 12 days of Christmas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!